Hello everyone, I am Anshuman Pandey and I welcome you to our art integration activity of English. We are group 2 of class 11th D and we are going to present a role play on the topic Ranga's marriage. We are going to recreate a scene from this chapter and the characters are me as Shastri, Ansh as Ranga and Ayush Mehta as Shama, and the narrators are Ayush Jha and Anuj. Now we are recreating a scene where Shyama and Ranga both went to the Shastri so as to know that what is that thing that is worrying Ranga, because Shyama noticed some changes in Ranga's behavior. But at first Shyama went to the Shastri to have a conversation with him because Shyama is planning to convince Ranga to marry Ratna. So let's begin.
Shyama went to the Shastri the next morning and told him
Everything ready to read the stars. I will come later.
she found no change in Ranga when she met him that afternoon.
What's the matter? You seems to be lost in thoughts.
She said,
Nothing's wrong, believe me.
Come, let's go and see a doctor.
I have no headache. I am my usually self.
I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on, but I don't think that could be the reason for your present condition.
Ranga stared at her.
Let's go and see Shastri. We will find out whether Guru or Shani is right for you or not.
Ranga accompanied him without any protest. As soon as Shastri saw him, he exclaimed,
What a surprise, Shama. Haven't seen you for a long time.
Shyama is none other than his servant, the narrator of this tale. She got angry and shouted.
What? Only this mirror?
Shastri completed his
You
sentence.
finished all your work and are now free to visit me.
Had he not done so, she would have ruined the plan by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. She was extremely careful of what she said afterwards. Shastri turned to Ranga.
When did the young son of our accountant clerk come home? What can I do for him? It's very rarely that he visits us.
Take out your paraphernalia. Our Rangappa seems to have something on his mind. Can you tell us what's worrying him? Shall you put your science of astrology to the test?
There was authority in her voice as she spoke to Shastri. He took out 2 sheets of paper, some cowries, and a book of Valmira leaves, saying,
Ours is an ancient science, Aya. There's a story to it. But I won't tell you that story now. This is not a Harikatha, which allows you to tell a story within a story. You may get bored. I'll tell it to you some other time.
Shastri moved his lips fast as he counted on his fingers and then asked.
What's your star?
Ranga didn't know.
Never mind.
Shastri indicated with a shake of his head. He did some more calculations before saying in a serious tone,
It's about a girl.
Exactly what I had said. Who is the girl?
Shastri thought for a while before replying.
She probably has the name of something found in the ocean. Kamla? Maybe. Could it be Pachi? Moss? Must it be Moss? If it's not Kamla, why not Pearl or Ratna, the precious stone?
Ratna, the girl in Ramarao's house. Tell me, is there any chance of our negotiation bearing fruit?
Definitely.
He said, after thinking for some time. There was surprise on Ranga's face and some happiness. She noticed it.
But that girl is married.
She said. Then she turned to him. His face had fallen.
I don't know all that. There may be some other girl who is suitable. I only told you what our Shastra indicated.
Shastri said. They left the place. On the way, they passed by Rama Rao's house. Ratna was standing at the door. She went in alone and came out a minute later.
Surprising, this girl isn't married. It seems someone told me the other day that she was. What Sastri told us has been turned to be right after all. But Rangappa, I can't believe that you have been thinking of her. Swear on the name of Madhavcharya and tell me, is it true what Sastri said?
She do not know whether anyone else would have been direct, Ranga admitted.
There's greatest truth in our Shastra than we imagine. What he says that is absolutely true.
Shastri was at the well when she went there that evening. She said,
So, Shastrigil, you repeat everything I had taught you without giving rise to any suspense. What a marvelous Shastri yours is.
he didn't like it at all.
What are you saying? What you said to me was what I could found out myself from the Shastras. Don't forget, I developed on the hints you had given me.
Tell me, is this what a decent man says? After this incident, Shyama becomes successful in convincing Ranga to marry Ratna. So then, Ranga got married to Ratna and they also had a child. Thank you.